The Mamelodi community is reeling in grief and outrage following the brutal murders of cousins Giamo Maramango and Basileng Moranga, whose alleged killer made his first court appearance on Wednesday. Debo Mnisi appeared briefly in the Mamelodi Magistrates Court, charged with 2 counts of murder, one of attempted murder and possession of an unlicensed firearm and ammunition. Mnisi, who was arrested at a petrol station in Pretoria on Monday morning, abandoned his bail application, opting instead to remain in custody. The case has been postponed to January 19, 2026 for further investigation. Outside the courthouse, a large crowd of residents gathered in solidarity with the grieving Moramanga family, calling for justice and an end to GBV. The 2 young women were shot dead in the early hours of Sunday morning in Mamelodi East. That victim survived the attack and is currently receiving medical treatment in hospital. The mother of the slain cousins made an emotional plea for justice, describing her daughters as beautiful souls with bright futures, whose lives were cut short by pure evil. In a show of compassion, the Aubrey Dow Foundation announced a 250,000 donation to the victims' families to assist with funeral and related costs. The foundation also commended police for their swift action in apprehending the suspect and said, "We appreciate the rapid response by the law enforcement, but we must ensure that justice is served swiftly and that such tragedies are never repeated." The Security Personnel Party of South Africa also condemned the killings, calling them a shameful reflection of violence that continues to plague women across the country. Said, "We are deeply saddened and outraged by the brutal murders of 2 young women over the weekend in Mamelodi. These senseless acts of violence are a stark reminder of the dangers and injustices that women and girls face every day. We stand in solidarity with the victims' families and demand full accountability for these heinous crimes." Echoing this outrage, Not in My Name International described the killings as a painful reminder of South Africa's ongoing gender-based violence crisis, and said the story of Chiam and Baliseng, whose lives were full of potential, has been added to the devastatingly long list of women and girls brutally killed. "We are in a state of perpetual mourning, and we say, 'Not in my name.'" Masango called on police to intensify patrols in Mamelodi and other high-risk areas, particularly at night, and said, "We cannot continue to live in fear. Our communities need stronger police visibility and urgent action to protect women and children." As Mamelodi mourns yet another act of senseless violence, the call for justice grows louder, a collective plea for the safety, dignity, and protection of South Africa's women. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.